Corona post and hashtag warnings. Hello everyone, welcome to the GoSo channel. As you can see, we're not in the office today, we're actually on my terrace in Barcelona due to the fact we're completely locked down. So just going to make a short video on the Corona post and hashtag warnings. I'm not too sure if you know this, but Instagram and Facebook have been quite strong on the post about the coronavirus and also about the hashtags as well. So make sure if you are posting anything about the coronavirus, that make sure that what you're posting is factually correct, because if it isn't, Instagram are going to take it down and you may be penalized. Another thing is as well also is the hashtags that you're using for the coronavirus or the COVID-19 is Instagram are not letting you post on there, and if you actually go onto the hashtag, you will see that it will redirect you to public health organizations. So be very careful when posting anything about the coronavirus, because you could actually get shadow banned and it could damage your account as well. The last thing that you want to do when posting is actually putting your account at risk. So if I was you, I would try and stay away from anything to do with them hashtags at all. You might want to put some things online in terms of how to wash your hands correctly, which could be really interesting information for your clients and also your followers, but try and stay away from the hashtags to avoid damaging your account in any way at all. So please be very careful if you are posting anything about the coronavirus, and try and leave the hashtags out and instead make it more specific to your followers' needs and provide them with correct information. So be very careful when you're posting about anything about the coronavirus, because there will be a lot of viewers that may disagree with what you're putting on there, and Instagram will take it down, and you might also receive negative feedback from your followers, and this is the last thing that you want to do. So don't just start posting stuff about the coronavirus just to get clickbait. This isn't going to work, and it's going to have a negative effect on your profile and also your followers. The last thing that you want is to be getting negative feedback or comments on any of your posts because you've posted the incorrect thing, or you've posted something too close to the bone which might upset some of the people on your profile, because you never know what experience and what people are going through during the coronavirus. So please be very respectful and double check what you are going to post online. So as Instagram are scanning anything to do with the coronavirus or the coronavirus hashtags, please be very careful when you're putting on ads, because if you are exploiting anything or you're trying to get sales during the coronavirus using that as a tool, Instagram are going to come down on you very, very hard and take your ad off straight away. This also is exactly the same for Facebook as well. So if you are doing ads, double think about the ad before you put it on, because you may be wasting a lot of your money, because all they're going to do is take it straight down and you could get blocks as well. So yes, it may be very tempting to make posts about the coronavirus, as this is a very, very hot topic at the moment, but try and do it in a different way. Instead of just trying to post facts and figures, do something that might help your clients out. As mentioned before, how to wash your hands correctly, etc. How to do social distancing in the correct way, or pretty much just pushing anything that could provide correct and factual information to your followers. So what I advise you to do right now is go and check out a lot of the coronavirus hashtags or the COVID-19, and you'll see on there that it will be connected to a public health organization. So Instagram and also the other social media platforms are reserving these hashtags to provide correct information to people out there on these topics, because as you probably know, there's been a lot of fake news circulating around social media at the moment and Instagram. So this is one of the main things that they're trying to stop at the moment. So please be careful. I have seen many people posting fake content on there. They may not know it's fake when they reposted it, so just double check your facts before posting anything about the coronavirus at all on social media and on Instagram right now. So please, during this time, stay safe. I am recording from my home now to bring as much content to you guys on Instagram as possible. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Please comment below, hit the like button as well, and please send us in any of the videos or any of the topics that you would like us to cover over the next coming weeks. I'm going to be recording as much as I possibly can over here to provide as much information to you guys out there. Have a nice day.